Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got this creative updo using BodyWorks new hibiscus honey line.
I don't feel love no more, I don't feel love no more. Ay, I don't feel love no more, I don't feel love no more. Ay, I don't feel love no more.
First we gotta wash this hair. We're gonna start off with the curl hydration shampoo. You only need a little bit because it is super moisturizing, y'all. And when I wash my hair, I just focus on the roots, and then when I get in the shower, it washes the rest of my hair.
She said she knew all about me. Ain't other guy with that song. I'm mixing some in my Bacardi. She said I fuck with your vibe. Told her to fuck with me right, cause I got you. I'm trying to fuck, they trying to fuck. When I pull up, I'm trying to cut. She want that pace.
After I wash that out, it's time to go in with the curl hydration conditioner. I put that on my hair in sections, and then I get back in the shower and detangle my hair.
It's been a minute, all these bitches, they just feel the same. 2 or 3 or 4, I can't complain. Kick them out the door, they out the door. Fuck them, they ain't getting on my plate. Yeah, I like to make my bitches sing. Sex and sipping liquor for my pain. I've been working too much for my brain. Money, music, using everything. Losing, I can't get no close to it. I'm so fluid, she wanna give me head, I ain't opposed to it. But when I take her, I'ma switch her, I ain't gon' miss her. But she gon' shake up when I beat like an 808. And if a pussy clean, I'ma get a taste. She giving me the vibe for the studio.
This is my hair after I rinsed out the conditioner and detangled it.
Ay, I don't feel love no more, I don't feel love no more. Ay, I don't feel love no more, I don't feel love no more.
So now right here, I'm just parting my hair. You're gonna create 4 sections. I'm gonna show you that later. But right now, it's just 2 sections right now, one in front, one in back, and then I'll split those into half sections. And that's what I'm showing you guys right now. Now, y'all, I'm telling you, it was so hard for me to part my hair, y'all. I was struggling real hard. So I don't know if they're straight. So, hey, you just gotta deal with it. But anyways, now we're about to get into working the 2 back sections into 3 sections on each side. So now for each section, I'm going to spritz the hair tonic. You want to shake this before you use it. And basically it's just going to make your hair look super healthy because of the nutrients that it has in it. And then I want to add the hydration custard, which is very hydrating, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, it is super hydrating. Like, it leaves my hair super smooth. So I'm using those 2 products on each section that I am going to create here. And then I'll add a little bit of gel to smooth down my hair. And then I'm going to secure each section with a rubber band and do a 2-strand twist.
I don't feel love no more, I don't feel love no more. Ay, I don't feel love no more, I don't feel love no more. Ay, I might just leave with these hoes, I might have been there before. I told her I'm in love with nobody, I'm in love with nobody. She said she knew all about me, she said she knew all about me. Ain't other guy with that song, I'm mixing some in my Bacardi. She said I fuck with your vibe, told her to fuck with me right, cause I got you.
So once I'm done doing each section, I'm going to wrap each section like I'm doing like a Bantu knot around each of the other sections, going upwards into the diagonal. I don't know how to really explain this in words, but y'all can see what I'm doing in the video. And so I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. Excuse me. I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. And then you can also use bobby pins. I did not have bobby pins at the time, so I'm using rubber bands, as you can see. And you're just going to keep on doing that, going up with the next one. And that's it for the back.
We ain't arguing tonight. It's alright, it's alright. I don't mind. As long as you only fucking mine. I'ma put in an overtime. If you wanna give it time, baby, don't get out of line.
And then, as you can see in the back, I made my sections different sizes. And starting from the bottom is small, then working the way up is getting bigger. You can do the same size though. I just wanted to create that effect in the back. So yeah. So we're doing the same thing that we did in the back. We're going to spritz the hair tonic, and then we're going to add the hydration custard. And once I smooth that into my hair, I'm going to add a little bit of gel and smooth that down. And then I'm going to put it into a ponytail. And then I'm going to add the curling rods. The perm rods.
All I need is my baby with all this liquor, yeah. I don't really care, baby, cause I know what you like. We gon' keep the lights on. Your side on my side, best sex when we fight. I'ma give it what you like. Fuck it till we get it right, yeah. Whippin', you be drippin'. Slimming to the sunrise, yeah. Ooh, I love it when you're right, yeah. Let it call your mind, yeah. Perfect pitch. Hold up. Baby, I'm trying to see what's up with you. Hold up. Rounds and rounds on this pitch. Hold up. All I need is my baby with all this liquor, yeah. All I need is my baby with all this liquor, yeah.
So right here, you're just going to wrap the last twist around the top ponytail, and you're done with the back. So I'm just adding more product to my hair to smooth it down before I add the perm rods. And once I smooth it down, I'm gonna brush it out to make sure it's like super smooth. And then I'm going to add the perm rods.
Got it from the jump, oh yeah. How you doing him, oh yeah.
But y'all, look at those curls. Like, I really want to do like a wash and go with dehydration custard now because, whoa.
This is all you, yeah. I ain't forcing you to do nothing. No, no, no. Baby girl, you wanna show me something. No, no, no. Oh, I wanna tell you one thing. Just one thing. Don't fall in love, don't fall in love. Don't fall in love, don't get too deep, yeah. Yeah, it's not that deep, yeah. I'm not trying to save you. It's just sex, baby. Don't get too deep, yeah. I don't believe in drama, yeah, yeah. Your man's praying, please don't harm him, yeah, yeah. Believe me, I ain't trying to sell you, but I'm tired of him trying to call you. All you want is for me to put it on ya. All I'm looking for is some company. I ain't forcing you to do nothing. No, no, no. Baby girl, you wanna show me something. No, no, no. Oh, I wanna tell you one thing. Just one thing. Don't fall in love, don't fall in love.
Okay, y'all, so it's the next day, and I was a little bit upset because I found out that my curls were not dry. And this is like way before I even like took it down. Like I waited, like 2 of them fell out, and I rolled them back up and I waited. So I'm actually like super excited like how it came out. It came out actually way better than what I thought it was gonna be. But y'all, like that one came out but they could have been way tighter than what they are, but at least they got a little curl to it, so that's all that matters.
Don't get too deep, yeah. Yeah, it's not that deep, yeah. I'm not trying to save ya. It's just sex, baby. Don't get too deep, yeah. Don't get too deep, yeah.
So now it's time to separate the curls, and you do want to have oil on your hands when you do this. That way you create less frizz.
with these hoes. I might have been there before. I told her I'm in love with nobody. I'm in love with nobody. She said she knew all about me. She said she knew all about me. Ain't I the guy with that song? I'm mixing some in my Bacardi. She said I fuck with your vibe. Told her to fuck with me right, cause I got you. I'm tryna fuck, they tryna fuck. When I pull up, I'm tryna cut. She want that pace, girl I done been, no time to waste. She tryna call, girl what the fuck? You must be dumb, I ain't in love. You picking fights, you insecure. Girl let me breathe, damn, it's been a minute. All these bitches, they just feel the same. 2 or 3 or 4, I can't complain. Kick them out the door, they out the door. Fuck them, they ain't getting on my plate. Yeah, I like to make my bitches sing. Sex and sipping liquor for my pain. I've been working too much for my brain. Money, music, using everything. Losing, I can't get no close to it. I'm so fluid, she wanna give me head, I ain't opposed to it. But when I take her, I'ma switch her.
So originally I wanted this hairstyle to be cute, tight curls and 2 puffs. As you can see, since my curls weren't fully dry, we couldn't do that. So we gonna just put them into like a little bang style and pin them up just like that.
I don't feel love no more, I don't feel love no more. I might just leave with these hoes, I might have been there before. I told her I'm in love with nobody. I'm in love with nobody. She said she knew all about me. She said she knew all about me. Ain't I the guy with that song? I'm mixing some in my Bacardi. She said I fuck with your vibe. Told her to fuck with me right.
And you guys, like, y'all can wear this hairstyle for like a whole week. Y'all can play with it. Y'all can do a full bun at top. Y'all can do 2 buns. Y'all can let down the back and untwist the back and just have like a twist out sit in the back with your hair up in the front. That's what I did throughout the weekend. If you follow me on my Instagram and watch my stories, and y'all saw how I wore my hair for like the rest of the week. I even went swimming with this hairstyle, y'all. So yes, y'all can rock this for a good little minute. But yeah, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe.
I'm looking for a fuck that's royal. She want a man that's all about loyalty. I'm only looking for